2 new news channels.
Yeah? When?
Talk to the BBC's massive public support, and Tim Montgomery, a former Prime Ministerial advisor, who's accused the corporation of guarding its wokeness. And I should say, in the interest of transparency, this is my channel, but every Friday I also present a show on the New Times radio station. Tim Montgomery, it's allowed that this
initiative, but what I would hope would be there would be true diversity in terms of the editorial rooms of these proposed channels. There's a lot of focus, and it's a good focus, on diversity of gender and ethnicity in BBC, and I'm sure also a reflection, I think, of the diversity of who they employ. Channel 4, for example, recently...
Tim Montgomery and Ed Bailey. I'd love to carry on talking, but thank you very much. We will, yeah, thanks very much for that. Well, we're back tomorrow at 7 until then. That's Channel 4 News. Very good evening to you.
dead.